Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Litecoin here by request of one of our subscribers. We haven't actually marked up our chart yet at all at Litecoin, so we haven't really taken a look at it. So I'm just going to mark up some key levels here. We'd say realistically we've got a nice key level in and around this area here. We've also got the swing high of the all-time high, and probably in and around this area. I mean, realistically you'd say this is probably my other key level that I would say has the most confluence. You can see that just like most cryptos, as we've said multiple times now, that Litecoin is essentially it's basically trading in a bit of a range, probably looking something like this, isn't it, where we've come down after this big bearish downtrend. We come down making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, and lower highs, and then we come down, we find a key level of support on this swing low here, where we did actually get the overextension. Then we came back inside the range that we've formed here, haven't we? We've got the high, overextension, testing the low, high, high, low, low, and now coming up again and retesting the high, with Litecoin having a little bit of bullish news over the past few days from what I could see. You can see here Litecoin has actually come up, and retested the top of the range again before getting a bit of a rejection, which we've essentially seen for so many cryptos now, haven't we? We're just forming up this range, and as we've said for most cryptos as well, until we see the range being broken in either direction and doing something like this, breaking out, back testing and continuing, or if we went to the downside as well, we are just going to be chopping it sideways. And considering how exhausted sellers are starting to look with the extended period of consolidation that we've seen, along with being down 90% from the all-time high, you'd expect sooner or later that we are probably going to see a bottom for most cryptos. And you'd expect with this long period of sideways action that could potentially be the case for Litecoin here as well, considering what we're seeing. So overall, looking like we are starting to bottom out for a lot of cryptos potentially. And if I just throw the Fibonacci on here from the high to that swing low there, you can see some of our targets we are looking for. Just like with most cryptos, we want to be testing that 0.23 as our first retracement level on the Fibonacci, which is basically just above the little range that we have formed here around $70. Currently trading at $62 here, and looking essentially like we have come up and retested that resistance pretty much bang on if you look at that there. And now looking like getting a bit of retracement after this huge pump here. We are currently riding the 20 EMA to the upside. Could easily see a retest of this on the short term at that $65 level in our opinion. Maybe get a bit of a bearish divergence, come back down, retest, and then continue. And obviously if we do roll over, we could be coming back down into this area here, down at around $55, if we do see a significant rollover in the market for Litecoin. But just like most cryptos, chopping sideways, doing what it needs to do before we do start to see a big move in either direction. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.